2 months. $20,000. One person, $1.8 billion in projected revenue. That's the story of Matthew Gallagher, and it's the most important thing that happened in AI this week. In September 2024, Gallagher, a 41-year-old entrepreneur from Los Angeles, launched a company called Medvi from his house. He had no team, no venture capital, no office, just a laptop and a stack of AI tools. Medvi is a telehealth company that connects patients with doctors who prescribe GLP-1 weight loss drugs. Think Ozempic, Wegovy, compounded semaglutide. The market was booming. Gallagher saw the window. Here's what he actually built and how AI made it possible. He used AI to write every line of code for the platform. He used AI to write the entire website, the landing pages, every word of copy. He used AI to generate ad creatives, images, videos, the whole thing. He used AI to run customer service. He built AI dashboards to monitor and optimize the business in real time. What would have cost $5 million and 2 years with a traditional engineering team, Gallagher did for $20,000 in 8 weeks. In Medvi's first month, 300 customers signed up. The second month, 1,000 more. In 2025, its first full year, Medvi generated $401 million in revenue with a 16.2% net margin. Then he hired his only employee, his younger brother, Elliot. This year, they are on track to do $1.8 billion in sales. 2 people. Let that sink in. A company the size of a mid-tier Fortune 500 by revenue, run by 2 brothers, powered almost entirely by artificial intelligence. Sam Altman predicted this in 2024. He said, quote, "A one-person billion-dollar company would have been unimaginable without AI, and now it will happen." He called it early. It has now happened. Here's why this is bigger than just one success story. Every traditional business model is built on headcount. More revenue meant more people. More people meant more complexity, more cost, more overhead. That relationship is now broken. AI has compressed what used to take 50 engineers, a sales team, a marketing department, and a customer service floor into a single person with a prompt. The leverage is unlike anything we've seen before. The implications cut 2 ways. For founders and entrepreneurs, the barrier to building a real company has never been lower. You don't need to raise a seed round to hire engineers. You don't need a team to launch a product. The AI stack is your co-founder, your developer, your designer, your marketer, and your support team. For employees, this is the shift that's been coming. Not AI replacing a specific job title, AI enabling one ambitious person to do the work that used to require 100 people. The critics will say, sure, but Gallagher was also in the right market at the right time. GLP-1 drugs are a gold rush. He was a middleman in a booming industry. That's fair, but it doesn't change what he demonstrated. The AI infrastructure he used, the same tools available to anyone right now, allowed him to execute at a scale that was simply not possible before. And he is not alone. Across software, e-commerce, content, finance, and healthcare, a new class of 1- and 2-person companies are hitting revenues that would have required hundreds of employees just 5 years ago. This is not a future thing. It is a right now thing. So what does this mean for you? Whether you're a founder, a job seeker, an employee, or a company executive, the playbook has changed. The question is no longer whether AI can replace human functions. The question is whether you're building with AI as leverage or competing against people who are. Matthew Gallagher built a $1.8 billion company in 2 months with $20,000 and one AI tool for every department. The age of the AI-powered solo founder is here, and it's just getting started.